Welcome inside the cutting-edge facility, where agricultural waste becomes high-tech banana fiber yarn.
The manufacturing of high-tech banana fiber yarn begins as the banana pseudostems are hydraulically unloaded and transferred onto automated conveyor systems.
Before processing begins, every pseudostem used to make high-tech banana fiber yarn is scanned by AI cameras.
Smart robotics instantly sort banana pseudostems for high-tech banana fiber yarn, separating the strongest fiber sources from lower-grade material.
To prepare the raw material for high-tech banana fiber yarn, the pseudostems pass through powerful washing tunnels that remove soil, sap, and field debris. Inside the washing chamber, the raw banana pseudostems used to manufacture high-tech banana fiber yarn are blasted with.
After washing, the banana pseudostems used for high-tech banana fiber yarn pass through.
Once sterilized, the banana pseudostems, destined to become high-tech banana fiber yarn, undergo one more inspection.
The cleaned banana pseudostems used to produce high-tech banana fiber yarn are now aligned by laser guidance, ensuring each cut is perfectly measured.
With laser alignment complete, hydraulic cutters to banana pseudostems into precise 1 meter segments.
Robotic arms now rotate and position each banana pseudostem section to prepare it for controlled splitting in the high-tech banana fiber yarn production line.
The dense banana pseudostems used for high-tech banana fiber yarn are split into long sections, exposing the natural fiber bundles hidden inside.
The splitting stage now feeds the prepared banana pseudostem strips into the decorticator machine, where the fibers begin their.
Powerful compression rollers crush the soft plant tissues of the banana pseudostems while preserving the long natural strand.
As the material passes through high-speed scraping drums, the natural fibers begin separating from the plant pulp, revealing the secondary cleaning rollers brush away remaining plant residue, leaving cleaner and stronger fibers ready to continue their journey toward becoming high-tech banana fiber yarn.
Industrial vibrating screens now shake loose the final particles of plant debris, ensuring that only pure banana fibers continue.
Now fully extracted, the raw banana fibers move along conveyor systems, still wet and loosely bundled.
Automated sensors continuously monitor fiber weight, flow rate, and moisture levels to maintain consistent quality throughout.
With fiber extraction complete, the raw strands now enter enzymatic bio-washing tanks.
In the first stage of purification, the raw fibers used to produce high-tech banana fiber yarn are immersed.
After the initial enzyme treatment, the fibers used in high-tech banana fiber yarn pass through cascading. Mechanical agitation further loosens remaining residues, allowing the natural fibers used for high-tech banana fiber yarn to become cleaner and softer.
Industrial filtration screens remove the dirty wash water, leaving cleaner fibers ready for the next purification step in the high-tech banana fiber yarn. In the final rinse stage, purified water washes the fibers used for high-tech banana fiber yarn, removing every remaining trace of enzyme or residue.
With washing complete, the fibers destined for high-tech banana fiber yarn are transferred into high-speed centrifuges to remove excess water. Powerful centrifugal force drives water out of the fibers, dramatically reducing moisture before drying in the high-tech banana fiber yarn production process. After dewatering, the fibers emerge significantly lighter and ready for controlled drying in the next stage of high-tech banana fiber yarn manufacturing. The partially dried fibers now enter a climate-controlled drying tunnel where heated air prepares them for spinning into high-tech banana fiber yarn. Powerful airflow evenly distributes heat across the fibers, ensuring consistent drying throughout the high-tech banana fiber yarn production line.
Smart sensors constantly monitor moisture levels to ensure the fibers for high-tech banana fiber yarn reach the ideal drying balance. Within minutes, the fibers reach their optimal moisture level, perfectly prepared for alignment in the high-tech banana fiber yarn spinning process. The dried fibers now enter the carding machines, where rotating comb drums begin aligning them for high-tech banana fiber yarn production. Precision combing aligns every strand, transforming loose fibers into smooth, uniform material for high-tech banana fiber yarn.
The aligned fibers spread into a continuous web, an important step toward forming the sliver used in high-tech banana fiber yarn spinning.
The fiber web condenses into a soft rope known as sliver, the direct precursor to spinning high-tech banana fiber yarn.
The sliver is gently coiled into containers, keeping the fibers organized for the next spinning stage of high-tech banana fiber yarn manufacturing.
The sliver now enters the roving machine, where it is gently stretched and prepared for the high-speed spinning of high-tech banana fiber yarn. A gentle twist converts the sliver into roving, strengthening the fibers before spinning them into finished high-tech banana fiber yarn.
With roving prepared, the material is now ready for the high-speed spinning machines that will transform it into strong, continuous, high-tech banana fiber yarn.
The prepared roving now enters high-speed ring spinning machines, where thousands of rotating As the spindles spin at incredible speeds, the roving fibers tighten and twist together, forming the first
At speeds exceeding 10,000 revolutions per minute, the spinning frame produces strong, uniform strands of high-tech banana fiber yarn.
As the yarn forms, it is automatically wound onto spinning bobbins, creating the first structured packages of high-tech banana fiber yarn. Smart sensors detect when each bobbin of high-tech banana fiber yarn reaches its precise winding capacity. Robotic handling systems safely remove completed bobbins of high-tech banana fiber yarn without interrupting the spinning process.
The spun yarn now moves to automated cone winders, where high-tech banana fiber yarn will be rewound into uniform export-ready cones. The cone winding machine rewinds the yarn into stable, evenly layered cones of high-tech banana fiber yarn. Precision tension control ensures every cone of high-tech banana fiber yarn is wound with consistent strength and stability. In seconds, a perfectly wound cone of high-tech banana fiber yarn is completed and ready for inspection. Every cone of high-tech banana fiber yarn is scanned by lasers to verify precise thickness and uniform structure.
Artificial intelligence cameras analyze every meter of high-tech banana fiber yarn, detecting imperfections invisible to the human eye.
Automated testers measure the tensile strength of high-tech banana fiber yarn, ensuring durability for textile production.
Once approved, each cone of high-tech banana fiber yarn receives a quality certification label.
Robotic packaging systems group cones of high-tech banana fiber yarn into organized export cartons. The cartons are automatically sealed, securing the finished high-tech banana fiber yarn for shipment.
Each package of high-tech banana fiber yarn receives export labels detailing batch information and destination.
Automated palletizing systems prepare large shipments of high-tech banana fiber yarn for global distribution.
Protective wrapping secures each pallet of high-tech banana fiber yarn, ensuring safe transport across long distances.
From agricultural waste to high-performance textile material, pallets of finished high-tech banana fiber yarn now leave the factory ready for global markets. Even after the fibers are extracted for high-tech banana fiber yarn, the remaining banana pseudostem.
The collected pulp is ground into a fine slurry, preparing the material for conversion into eco-friendly products.
In large mixing tanks, the pulp slurry is blended to create a uniform base material that can be transformed into biodegradable products.
The recycled pulp is divided into two separate processes, one producing biodegradable paper, and on the biodegradable paper line, the recycled banana pulp forms thin sheets as water drains through a fine mesh screen. Compression rollers press the sheets to remove moisture, strengthening the biodegradable paper made from banana pseudostem waste. Heated drying tunnels remove the last traces of moisture from the banana pulp paper sheets.
Precision cutters shape the biodegradable paper into uniform sheets ready for packaging.
The finished eco-friendly paper is automatically stacked and packaged.
Meanwhile, the remaining pulp begins composting inside rotating drums to create organic fertilizer. Natural microbial activity generates heat, accelerating the composting process. The composted material is dried to stabilize nutrients. The processed compost is shaped into uniform fertilizer pellets. Screening ensures each pellet meets the correct size standards.
The finished organic fertilizer is packed into agricultural supply bags.
Each bag is heat sealed to preserve freshness and nutrients.
Robotic palletizers prepare the fertilizer for agricultural distribution.
Protective wrapping secures each pallet of fertilizer produced from the banana plant.
Both eco-friendly byproducts join the finished high-tech banana fiber yarn in the warehouse.
This integrated system ensures that nothing from the banana plant is wasted. Inside this remarkable facility, every stage of production works in harmony.
From the spinning floor, finished cones of high-tech banana fiber yarn move into the export warehouse, where they are organized for global distribution.
Each shipment of high-tech banana fiber yarn is carefully loaded into transport containers, ready to travel from farm waste to global textile markets.
Once loaded, every container of high-tech banana fiber yarn is securely sealed to protect the product during international transport. Shipments of high-tech banana fiber yarn now leave the facility, beginning their journey to textile manufacturers around the world.
Behind every cone of high-tech banana fiber yarn is a team of skilled engineers and operators, ensuring precision at every stage. The finished high-tech banana fiber yarn is strong, sustainable, and ready to be woven into the textiles of the future. From discarded banana stems to high-value textile material, high-tech banana fiber yarn represents the future of sustainable manufacturing.
This innovative process turns agricultural waste into valuable resources, proving that
From field to fiber and from waste to innovation, this is the remarkable journey of high-tech banana fiber yarn manufacturing.